This can change everything. Are we in a super cycle for Bitcoin? You want to know everything about that? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News. Rodrigo Arnedo, crypto to the max. And today we have another video dedicated to Bob Loukas. This is not the first time we've created a lot of videos about this really interesting guy about the 4-year cycle for Bitcoin. We love it. We love this content. So what's new? I'm going to sum up it for you, and you have, of course, the Spanish version in fun on the right, our channel about cryptocurrencies in Spanish. So here you can see the most important ideas of the video. Watch the whole thing, link in the description below. Also, you can practice English if you are a Spaniard trying to learn as myself. So the most important things are that maybe we are in a regular cycle for Bitcoin, or maybe we are in two different possible scenarios. The first one would be that everything is moved to the left. So the idea is that price of Bitcoin will increase faster than anyone's belief. So we might have a top sooner than anyone expects, maybe even for Christmas this year, and then we crash. That's one of the most interesting ideas out there in this video. But also then we have the super cycle idea. So the thing here would be that we have these good narratives out there, the ETFs, etc., etc. So it's not retail and people speculating with Bitcoin the reason for the rise of Bitcoin. So as we have huge companies, institutions, governments, and so on and so forth, we are up for a huge rise on Bitcoin, but not in a crazy way, but longer and like more trustworthy rise. The idea there is that we are not going to go down, and we are going to go slower, little by little, up till maybe end of 2025 or maybe 2026. And that will be like this here, a last hurrah maybe for Bitcoin, and then we need to cool down, of course. Really interesting video also with the idea that we'll see in 10 years if maybe right now we are in this 6-month chart in just one huge movement up, and then we will have one movement down. So do you expect a bubble after 20 years of Bitcoin trading up with up and downs in the 4-year cycle? Really interesting idea. Again, link in the description below. Bob Loukas, thank you very much for all your knowledge and how you share this. We created this chart with these both ideas in TradingView, link in the description below. What do you think about this? Do you think we are in a super trend? We are in a regular cycle of 4 years, or maybe in a left turn? So write in the description below your comment about it. What do you think is going on out there? Believe it or not, we keep on track with 2017, and this is my idea. This is what I believe it's going to happen, and you can see that on 2016 we went up. As we are up now, then we went down. So maybe just playing with TradingView, we are up this 37%. We were 25% at that point in the green candles. So maybe now we are up for a 13% down, maybe to test in the 45,600. Well, we'll see about this line in the future. And now I'm going to tell you everything about the weekly chart. But first things first, let me tell you about CoinEX, sponsor of this channel. You have the link in the description below. Maybe you have FOMO about crypto, you want to buy some of those. Well, you have the link in the description below. And now I will recommend you to follow CoinEX on social media. You have CoinEX Global, you have CoinEX Spanish. We have there some women finally telling you about crypto, which is awesome. You'll get to know all the important stuff about cryptocurrencies. But more than that, I will recommend you to join as myself a Telegram group for CoinEX in Spanish, or maybe global. Well, you have there a lot of information, like top token winners of the last 24 hours. They will tell you there in Spanish. For example, WLD, it's going up like crazy, and things like that. So very, very interesting to follow CoinEX in Spanish and Telegram. I'm going to leave you the link in the description below. And let's see if we can make this month rise the number of members there from 19,867 to 20,000. Let's see about that. Thank you for joining with my link in the description below. Back to the weekly chart, you can see that it is absolutely amazing to see that we were all the way up to $53,000. We're not there yet. Maybe today, maybe not. But in any case, close to $53,000. And you can see we have to go long time ago to see a closure in the line we have right now. We have to go to October 2021. We were talking last week about this resistance point, and we can forget about it because it's broken for good. So right now, I'm going to tell you in this one of my crazy charts that you need to consider that the close we had for the weekly here is not usual on Bitcoin. And we just had 9 of those in 2021 here and 8 of those in 2021 here, in the time when Bitcoin were in those all-time highs. So we are in the first week closing up of this line, just 9 times here and 8 times here, 17 times in total right now in this scenario. So we'll see. We are adding one more, maybe more of those. Just tell me in the comments below. Thank you very much. Svensson told us Bitcoin closed the highest weekly candle since November 2021, and Bitcoin is just 30% away from a new all-time high. Remember this chart we created? Just 30%. That's awesome. And also, we told you about the possibility for Bitcoin of breaking the Fibonacci 618, and it did for the first time in history before the halving. We told you everything about that in this video. We did it. Yes, we did. And also, we broke this line with the 2-year previous close in the monthly. This is also new. I also told you about this in this video, so you have to watch it. This is new. So maybe now we have to consider that we are going to go higher than ever before and before the halving event. Those are the weekly charts for BlackRock ETF, and it also had an all-time high there. And if we go to the daily chart of Bitcoin, you can see again we're fighting for that 52,884 right now, the all-time high for this year and the previous one. Here, Otavian is saying that he believes that maybe today is the day Bitcoin's above $53,000. Hopefully so. Also, Jel told us that Bitcoin is going to 60,000. And this is because of this megaphone pattern that seems to be stupid, but it's gonna be true in its opinion. Titan of Crypto believes that because of this AB equals CD pattern, we're going to $61,000, which is cool. And Crypto Robot remind us that, yeah, we might have a 10% retracement, but comparing with charts in different years, we are up for a huge rise on Bitcoin, maybe even that God candle that we expect. Stock Money Lizards told us here that considering the cycle channel oscillator, we are not oversold. You are not too late. You might still buy cryptocurrencies and make a lot of money. It happened in the past. You can pause the video and think about this theory from Stock Money Lizards. But remember, in any case, that I'm not expert, and this is not, of course, financial advice. The market is in the green, and today we are happy. Your bank account is cold, but your crypto wallet is fun with Leonardo DiCaprio. Also, Bitcoin ETFs are catching up to gold ETFs for assets, and this is just after 25 days trading, which is awesome. And awesome is that banks are mad. Banks are out there asking Gary Gensler to have their own ETFs and being custodial of crypto. So you can see that no one wants to miss the party. BlackRock has the first start at its usual because they are the biggest whale out there. But now all banks out there are going to ask, in my opinion, for ETFs and custodial services. You can see that Coinbase is making a killing right now, and they are not going to allow it to be alone in that for a long period of time. Also, really interested that Bitcoin is pumping hard against the world's major currencies over the last 5 years. You can see there are so many countries, and how crazy is that? And you need to consider that United Kingdom has become third largest nation state holders of Bitcoin, when Germany is fourth largest nation state holder of Bitcoin. Spain, of course, is the last one because we suck so very hard. And Ferrari is now accepting Dogecoin as payment method for luxury sport cars in the US. Very interesting too. So thank you, boomers. If they were 30 years old, they could buy a house for $500 and you can stay home with 8 children. But right now, millennials at age 30, if they dump all their life savings into Bitcoin, they might survive this year. So this is reality right now. When Bitcoin mining difficulty is stopping new all-time highs above 80 trillion 2 months ahead of the halving, and we spotted this guy with a mining device as a backpack. Awesome, cool stuff. The most important cryptos in the green, the bubbles are crazy in the green. We have the wallet for WLD, crazy project out there. I don't like it, but maybe a nice chance for making money. Or you can make money with dextours.io. Why? Because they will tell you the last thing out there. And you can see that we have Sora. I'm going to tell you about Sora in AI News, our channel about AI. Watch it, do not miss that. And do not miss the possibility of making money with Dextours, because they have their Grok, they have Pandora, they have Sora. So I missed that one, or did I? Because we still have time of buying this crazy stuff. Remember, this is just speculation. There's no Grok token, there's no Sora token. Well, there's Pandora token, but those are speculations. Be careful out there. I prefer Ethereum, that it's in its way to $3,000, $2,925. Awesome stuff. Watching Ethereum in the $3,000 range. Titan of Crypto believes we're going to go to 3,280, and maybe about next time we're going to go higher, maybe to 4,800, something like that. Well, this can happen if Ethereum is following the path of Bitcoin of 2019. And the chart is really similar. What do you think about that? The market is greedy. We are in the 75, and today is a nice day for watching our coin tracking portfolio. You have the link in the description below with a 10% discount if you want to do as myself. And also remember there to store your cryptocurrencies in a safe way with Trezor, the cold wallet. You have a link in the description below, and also a dedicated video about the Trezor Safe 3, the one that I'm using right now. Also, maybe you love Bybit, our sponsor, and you want to use the credit card. Well, Bybit on X, Twitter, they just told us that the global crypto market cap is officially back above 2 trillion. Awesome stuff. 2 videos dedicated to the card. The link is in the description below. And today, for the cat section, you can see this guy. Well, I did all wrong in crypto. It's okay. We all did, but you still have time to make things better. And anyhow, you are drinking, even though it's not the best way of doing it. You are gonna make it. We are all gonna make it because we keep on learning. You wanna learn more about AI? Go to our channel, AI News. You want more about crypto? Watch one of these 2 videos. And wait for next Crypto News with Rodrigo Arnedo. Health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!